We are going to Disneyland.
Counting all my problems, one by one they're falling down on me. One more day in Paris, paradise is not what it's made to be.
Second outfit.
So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you love me. We can do something new like lemonade. Take it slow like we get married.
Hello.
Hello.
I want the new game or new clothes. Buy something to fill the hole. It quickly satisfies. For a minute, then it dies. I want some new toys to fill the void. Drowning in material noise that's it between me. Spending money to feel free. And I try to tell. With the sunlight shining on your face, smiling as you get up.
Say hi. We're back in Hong Kong. Say hi to the vloggy. Uy, bastos.
Up of the breeze, with your dreams in reach, world beneath your feet. Let the days slip by like waves on the shore. Yeah, you don't need much, cause the future's yours. Yes, the future's yours. The future's yours. Yes, the future's yours.
We are back in Hong Kong. And dito kami sa hotel kung saan kami nagstay last 2023 with Papa. Now, I'm just on my way to our room. So here's another room tour. Not exactly the same, but yung layout is the same with the room that we've had last 2023. There's just 2 queen-sized beds. And actually, this is not our room. Syempre, ka-room ko si Mama and si Deech. Pero sa kabilang room yon. And ito yung room nila Achi. Sadyang hindi pa kasi nagugulo to. So ito na lang yung room tour ko habang wala pa sila. May cabinet lang dito. The same painting. Parang lalagyan ng mga luggage. And may Nespresso, yes. Wala akong maayos na intro for this vlog. Kasi first of all, ang tagal-tagal ko na guys na hindi nag-vlog. So, hindi ko na parang reflex yung kukuha agad ng camera, ganon. I filmed some clips with my phone. Pero, syempre, iba naman yung vlogging camera, diba? We are here in Hong Kong and in 2 days, we're going to Macau. Kasi we are going to celebrate Chinese New Year there. And that's been our family's tradition for a couple of years na puto lang nung pandemic. Di kami nakapunta nung 2021 and 2022. Actually, nasasad ako kasi naalala ko yung time na pumunta kami dito like complete. Andito nun si Papa, andito sila Adrian, and those were the days na parang sobrang gusto kong balikan. And sa sobrang ganda niya, hindi ko pinapanood yung vlogs ko about it kasi mas nalulungkot ako. Kanina naman, pagdating, nasa isip ko lang talaga is yung requirement ko for a subject. Buti na lang talaga. So far, so good. Like, hindi kami na-delay sa flight. And then, going here sa Tsim Sha Tsui, it was smooth talaga. And on time naman lahat. So, yun. Unfortunately, since yun nga, preoccupied ako, I wasn't able to vlog our lunch. Ang sarap pa naman ng food. Ang sarap ng duck. Andito rin pala guys yung mga relatives ko. Sila John. Mga pinsan ko, sila Isa. As in, complete kami halos. Except for our grandparents kasi bigla na hindi na lang sila makakasama. So parang different siya kasi usually kami lang talaga. And then ngayon, may mga kasabay kami. So, it's fun. And tumatawag na si Ma. Tomorrow pala, we are going to Disneyland. Kaya today lang yung parang halos shopping day namin dito sa Hong Kong. It's currently 3:19 PM na pala. Magkatabi lang yung room namin. Hi! My cutie pie! Sabit! My cutie pie!
Iniinis ka ni Tati? Magkano yung...
Uy, ang dumi kami ng apple.
Girl, kasi umiyak siya.
Grabe ka naman. Pag nakita to ng nanay niya. Hindi nga. You open your mouth. Ito pa yung mga 2 years ago, guys. Same menu as in. Same din yung placement. May hash brown dyan. Wala nang fried rice. What you getting? Breakfast. I got beef curry. Indian rice, I forgot. Limot ko. Ham. And then, for fiber, I got toge. Okay, nagmamadali kami mag-shop. Kami lang ni Ma. Kami ngayon sa Isa. Hello! We are going to Disneyland.
I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. I'm falling in love. You're all I'm thinking of. Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close.
Hello, dito kami sa Cebu.
Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Oh.
Ma'am, see you. Lady in red.
Transition.
May nakatulog while lining up for Frozen Ever After.
Yeah, we could talk all night. Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright.
A day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish. Let's just call it right, 'cause for the first time in forever.
Let's go. Ito na yung katapusan ng last ride ko na kabong buhay ko.
No, grabe ka magtok-tok-tok ka sa
Matatapos ata dito.
Everything you do, baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know, baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you.
Thank you. May astigmatism na yung cellphone ko. Nauna na kami umuwi. Hindi na namin hintay yung fireworks kasi super lamig na talaga. Ngayon, kabalik na kami sa hotel. Kumula ng jacket and then we're out and about. Kasi tomorrow, pupunta na kami ng Macau. Walang katapos ang Starbucks.
I don't wanna call you later. It's there in my heart like it's paper. Somehow
in Macau. Hello, hello, hello. Diyan ka, Beach. Dito na kay Ma.
I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room?
Hi guys! So, naka-check-in na kami dito sa hotel and it's actually our first time here. Pagpasok nyo, may full-sized mirror na siya. 2 queen-sized beds again. Yan. Ang ganda ng vibe. Like, ang ganda dito, guys. Tapos, meron lang din ditong cabinet. And then, parang dito ako pwede makag-aral mamaya. So, sobrang nice talaga. And then, dito, upuan. Tapos, dito yung view. Part to, guys, ng Londoner. So, usually, sa Sheraton kami, which is somewhere there sa likod. Tapos, ito yung bridge going to Four Seasons shops. May mirror lang dito. Ito yung bathroom. Meron lang siyang bathtub. Sobrang ganda ng aesthetic. And then, his and hers sinks. Shower. Yeah, may shower dito. One thing that I love about Macau is that sobrang lalaki, guys, ng mga cuts ng rooms dito. Ayan. Guys, may exam ako in a few days. Sana makapag-aral ako. May limited caffeine intake lang tayo. Daming ayuda. Wala bang banana? Ay, juicy. Daming tubig. If you go to Macau, tapos dito kayo mag-stay sa mga hotels dito, sobrang generous sila sa mga water. As in, sobra. Saan ka pupunta ng 4? Bakit ka pupunta, Hermes?
Wala lang.
Wala lang? Oh, wala lang. The vloggy. Beach, hi to the vloggy!
I'll be the boy playing the boombox by your window pane. I'll be the girl wearing your shirt out in the pouring rain. This ain't a rom-com, this is real life. Let me show you a bit. Don't need to play no game. So why don't you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now.
Ay, hindi. Ito. Ito. Makita ni Mama yung... May sama.
Lives amazing you the Holy Spirit. One God, word without end. Amen. Have mercy on us all.
The way to Seduce Me for lunch. May baby dito, nag-cutie pie na inaantok na. Johnny, nahinay lang. Hi guys. Sila Mama, sila Achi, lahat sila actually
pumunta sa Reggie's Bar, which is like downstairs, like second floor. Pero hindi na ako sumama kasi first of all, I'm not feeling well. Like kanina, nag-Cheesecake Factory kami tapos hindi ko na natapos. My head hurts. If hindi pa ako may ganon, magkakasit talaga ako ng tuluyan. So, before anything else, lalo na may exam ako on Friday, which is like 3 days away, I slept for a bit. Like, hindi nga mag 1 hour kasi dumating na sila mama. So, nagising na ako and nahirapan na ako matulog ulit. So, right now, I'm going to really study. Sobrang preoccupied ako. Hindi ako makapag-vlog ng maayos, unlike before. But anyway, yun na guys. I'll just update you when I can.
Meanwhile,
when I was in my early age, I heard them talk about true love, so I started looking for where it could be.
Hi, good morning.
I've been cooped up in this Mini Cooper, singing to myself, going through drive-through after drive-through, looking for some help. I miss my family and my girl and my friends there by my side. If you feel the beat and you're feeling me, then come on, let's ride. We need a bigger bus.
Dito ako sa RL and mag-fit lang talaga. Ito pala yung OOTD ko going back to the Philippines. Sweatshirt from Lulu, Zara trousers, nice one Margiela shoes. Magsusukat lang ako.
More windows and more aisles, party in the front, party in the...
Hi guys! Sorry, pagpasensya niyo na to. Nasunog talaga siya nung pagpunta ko ng Hong Kong. Hindi yan lipstick or what. I'm just gonna do a haul of the things that I got from Macau. This one is from Venchi. Pero silang pistachio. Ito, matcha biscuit. Masarap din to guys. As in, donkey din to. Meron ito sa Landers, pero bumili lang ako kasi mas mura dun. This one, I got this from Macau. Perfume siya ng YSL. Nagamit ko na to in school. So, yan. Kaya may bawas na siya. And then, from RL, kasi last December, nung Christmas party namin ng friends ko, I borrowed my sister's polo from RL. And sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Like, ang ganda ng tela, ang ganda ng fit. Dati, dinedema ko lang to. Pero nung nasuot ko ngayon, ganda na ko. So, I just had to get one for myself. I got 2 items from Zara. Actually, yung iba, yun yung gamit ko sa Macau. So, in short, nasa laundry na sila. Pants from Zara. Meron lang siya dito. Pinold ko na kasi papaputulan. And then, ito, nagamit ko rin to sa sobrang lamig sa Macau. This one. This jacket. Bumili ako ng half-zip sweater from Lululemon in the color gray. I also got this joggers. Meron lang siyang zipper here. Black lang siya. And then, ginamit ko na all throughout our trip because it's so convenient. Kasya dito iPad ko, kasya lahat ng mga kailangan ko in life. When you open this, sobrang spacious talaga. As in, I got this pair of sneakers from Maison Margiela. Si Mama, kumuha din siya ng shoes, pero yun yung parang closed shoes. Eh ako, I'm a sneaker kind of girl. Noong nakita ko to before kay Sofia Richie, in-eye ko na talaga siya. And lo and behold, sa Hong Kong ako makakabili. Matagal na kami guys hindi nag-abroad. Well, factor din kasi na nagme-med ako. So, yung mga trips nila mama, like Korea sila, like Africa sila, hindi ako nakasama kasi nga, nagme-med school. Ito naman pala, I bought this from a supermarket in Hong Kong. Good Fiber. Kasi, as a constipated girly, kailangan ko to. And then, Good Apple Cider. Kasi, for my gut health. And then, the next one is this bag na hindi ko in-expect na sobrang fragile. I used this bag last night then nung lumabas kami and medyo sensitive siya ha. Kasi tumama to sa car. Hindi kasya wallet ko dito. Tcharam! As in, cutesy bag lang. This is my favorite purchase of our trip. It's from Loro Piana. Ang gusto ko sana is yung parang sling bag. Kaso binili na ni Ma. So sabi ko, ba't pa yun yung pipiliin ko? Pwede ko naman hiramin. So, instead, I got this backpack na actually pwede rin maging sling. This one. Nung una, hindi ko to masyado pinipili. Kasi may 2 choices naman ako doon ng colors. Pero ito kasi yung neutral. And akala ko, malapit siya sa loewe ko yung color. Pero hindi naman pala. So, okay lang. Ito kasi yung brand color ng Loro Piana. And it's actually very spacious. Ay, syempre, hindi nyo na. Ayan. That's my Hong Kong haul, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching. And I'm really, really sorry if I've been missing in action. Sobrang konti nang na-film kong clips during our trip because at the same time, I was really distracted with reviewing for my exam yesterday. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!